Working on Norwegian electrical installation documentation and have an FDW file. This is a document file from a specialized electrical design application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open these FEBDOK document files. If the file is truly locked down, we need to bring out the big guns. I have a hidden file viewer that serves as our ultimate solution for FDW problems. See below for my top choice. FDW files are document files created by FEBDOK, a Norwegian software for electrical installation, documentation, calculation, and verification. They contain electrical system designs, cable schedules, circuit calculations, and compliance documentation for electrical installations meeting Norwegian standards. FDW files use FEBDOK's proprietary document format, storing electrical system data, including circuit definitions, cable specifications, protective device settings, load calculations, and compliance verification results. The format integrates with FEBDOK's calculation engines for Norwegian electrical code compliance. There's a proprietary link between the FDW format and FEBDOK by Nelfo. To access all data streams, audio, video, subtitles, a dedicated media container handler is required. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your FDW file and select Open With. Test FEBDOK if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application guesswork. If the FDW file won't budge, stay calm. Errors with the FDW format usually come down to a small, critical detail. Let's review our checklist now and verify all necessary components. First, opening with FEBDOK. Install FEBDOK from Nelfo, the Norwegian Electrical Contractors Association, which distributes the software. Launch FEBDOK and use File then Open to load the FDW file. The electrical installation document displays with all calculations and design data ready for review or modification. Next, generating PDF reports. Within FEBDOK, use the report generation function to produce PDF documentation of the electrical installation. Generated reports include calculation summaries, cable schedules, and compliance certificates for sharing with clients, inspectors, and project stakeholders without FEBDOK access. Finally, updating to current version. If your FDW file is from older FEBDOK versions, install the current FEBDOK version, which maintains backward compatibility. The software automatically updates the document format, providing access to current calculation engines and compliance with updated Norwegian electrical codes. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.